In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly fix this error of something went wrong that we face while signing in to the Gmail account. It says, sorry, something went wrong there, try again. Even if we click on restart, it might still show that error. As you can see, whenever I try to sign in, it shows me this error. So we are going to see a quick solution on how we can resolve this. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, we will close out of here and let's open up the start menu and right here, control panel. And from here, we will either choose large icons or otherwise we can do it on the categories as well. Basically what we need to find is network and internet. And from here, we click on network and sharing settings. From here, we will click on change adapter settings, and whatever Wi-Fi you are connected to, you will right click on that, click on the properties. And from here, we will go to this IP protocol version 4. Just click on that. And under here, all is set to automatic. But what we will do is we will switch to use the following DNS server address. So what is the server address? We will simply write here 8.8.8.8. And in the second line, we will write 8.8.4.4. After that, we will check validate settings upon exit, click OK, click close. And basically it will detect the problem, restart everything. Now we will close everything from here. And after that, we will just open up the command prompt. We will write here cmd, right click and run as administrator, or otherwise you can run it from here. Click yes. And just right here, IP config. Space / renew, hit enter. And then we will write here IP config, give a space / flush DNS, hit enter. And then finally we will write here net sh, give a space, winsock, and give a space again, right here reset, hit enter. And finally we will just exit out of here. Either we can close it from here or write exit here. And once we restart the computer, we just launch it again and hopefully it should be resolved. If not, what you can also do is just make sure that the time and date is synced properly with the local time, because that might cause a lot of issues if it is not synced properly. Also, as a last resort, what you can do is just open up your browser and just delete the profile altogether from here and add a new profile. And then you can just configure it all over again and it should work perfectly fine. So these are a couple of solutions that will work for you. Just comment down below if that works for you and I will see you in the next one.